So like I said, I've got this magnet down here, and I'm just gonna poke around until we find something. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. In today's episode, we're back with the Honda CD175. And if you remember last time, we had, it's still here on the ground, we had an easy out stuck in the spark plug hole, which we still have to get the rest of the spark plug out. But I did go ahead and run these through the ultrasonic cleaner just several cycles over and over again to get it clean. I'm going to pull the valves out today. Look how good the cylinder looks. We cleaned it out and it looks really good. But the first thing we have to do is go fishing. Because if you guys remember, when I was undoing the master link for the cam chain, I dropped the clip down in there. Okay. Oh, shoot, I dropped it. I dropped it. It went right in. The clip for my cam chain dropped all the way down. Shoot. I've got a magnet now, and we're just gonna poke around. So like I said, I've got this magnet down here, and I'm just gonna poke around until we find something. See if we get anything. Come up. Did we? Oh, we got something. I don't know what it is. Winner chicken dinner. Looks like we got some other stuff down there too. We'll have to flush that out. But that's what we needed right there. Let's put that where we don't lose it. Yeah guys, I was unsure about if I was even going to be able to come in today into Mississippi, because we do have a tropical, what is it, a storm right now? Yeah, still a tropical storm off the coast, and it's just almost due south of where we are right now. But thankfully, it's further south and it's a little unorganized. But boy, it wrecked me, because I just did a video on getting prepared and fixing that generator. And then hours after I posted the video, there's a storm. And I'm like, what the hell's going on with this? But maybe we'll ride by the beach to check and see what it looks like out on the way home. Okay, let's get this piston off. Managed to get both of them off, and now we can put them in the ultrasonic cleaner. Here we are. This is one. These bottom two are good. This top ring looks like it's stuck. We'll run it through the ultrasonic cleaner, see if that helps. These are all stuck, and it looks like my oil ring is busted, so I'm gonna need a set of rings at least. It does look like my oil ring is busted right there, right there. So we'll look for it. We still have to get these unstuck, so we'll run it through the ultrasonic cleaner and then see if it gets any better. Before we put this guy in the ultrasonic cleaner, we're gonna hit it with a little wire brush, see if we can knock off most of this so the ultrasonic cleaner can just do its job. This is the one I really want to make sure I get right around the lands clean, everywhere, so I can get all the gunk out, and then we'll let it get to work in the ultrasonic cleaner. Okay, we're gonna pull the valves out of this head. I'm just using this valve tool, this valve spring compressor tool. It's super simple. That thing is super affordable. I'll put a link to one in the description. Guys, it's super easy to do. You line one of them up on the face of the valve, and then the other one on the spring, and then you just tighten it up. And it compresses that spring, and you get the keepers out. If you have your magnet handy from fishing your cam chain master link clip, then you can just use it to get those guys. Here's one, and then we should be able to get to the second one. Just rotate this guy out of the way. Got it. Once you get it the second one, then you just rotate it out, back it off, shampoo, rinse, repeat 3 more times. On this bike, 3 more times. You'll have the spring cap. Which one was it? This one? 2 springs, and then you just have to push your valve through, just like that. So like I said, 3 more times. You should end up with something that looks like this and your keepers. And just like that, we have the second one done. We got the cap, springs, and then we'll just push our valve out. Oh, that one's stuck. Oh, it's coming. Let's see if I can give it a little tap, tap, taparoo. Have to check it to make sure it's not bent. Okay, I've got all the valves out. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my little wire brush just right in here just to clean that up. We'll end up lapping the valves, but I want to just get some of this clean because we're still going to have to take this to repair that. So let's see what we can do. Okay, here we are after we cleaned out, just to get out some of the carbon built up in there. This is the one with a spark plug. You see that's got a spark plug in it right there. And this is the busted one. Let me see if I can get you in a better angle. Okay, this is after we cleaned it out a bit with the wire brush, just to get out some of this carbon. We're not done yet. This is a spark plug. This side has a spark plug in it. This is the busted side. You can see the back end, the electrode for the spark plug. I'm hopeful that this guy will be able to come out and we can still use the threads, but I think I'm going to take it somewhere because there's enough there. I tried it with the Easy Out after I took this thing home and cleaned it, and I just kept feeling like I was going to snap it off. It wasn't moving at all. And so I'm hoping I can bring it to a machine shop or a welding shop and they can actually try to get that thing out. Or worst case scenario, we go shopping for one of these. Okay, let's go on eBay and look for a head for this thing, see what we come up with. See if there's anything. I always search, I always filter my search to use just so I don't end up with a whole bunch of stuff. There's one, looks like it's 120 bucks. This looks like another one that looks, oh, that's a rebuild service. There's another one, 128 with $100 shipping from the UK. There's one right there, $167. Yeah, I think I should try to get it fixed. So while you're on eBay, you might as well check out the Motorcycle Rewind store and check out what we have. We've got some sticker packs if you want. We've got a bunch of other stuff. We post brand new items every single Tuesday at 12 p.m. when the new video drops. So do our new items. So if you get a chance, check it out. Motorcycle Rewind. Just click on the link in the description below. Okay, I've been cooking stuff in the ultrasonic cleaner, parts for this. So I like to eat apples and bananas. Sorry about that, I couldn't pass it up. But I like to run it, dump it, put clean fluid in and do it again, because I think that they stay dirty. It's kind of weird the way it works, but let me dump this out and then we'll put in some fresh water. Yeah, I'm draining this out, then we'll fill it up with, this is just, I mean, if I'm gonna ultrasonic clean it, might as well have clean water in it. This is the second cycle of this, and so probably been about an hour, and then we'll do it one more time and then we should be good. Okay, just a little bit more of the Dawn dishwashing liquid, because if it's good enough for the ducks, it's good enough for us. And then punch the button. Okay guys, our next step is to take this guy to a machine shop or welding shop. There's a small little welding shop by my house. It's been there forever. It's a father owned it and now the son owns it, and so hopefully they can do it. We still have a lot of meat on there, so we should be able to get it. Fingers crossed. Okay, let me put this in the car because we're gonna take a run by the beach and see what it looks like. Okay guys, here we are. Not much of anything going on. Sorry, I'm right by the road. So, not much of anything going on out here. We got some wind, no rain, got some gust of winds every now and then, but nothing major. But we got to come out here and check it out anyway. So guys, I'd like to thank you for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. And do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks again, guys, and have a great day. Oh, Bertha ended up not being much of anything. Whole bunch of nothing, which, hey, we'll take a nothing burger on when it comes to a storm.